Hey there, folks, this is Rocky Red Panda. It is Wednesday, time for another awesome food review. And this week we're going to be talking about Thurmont Kountry Kitchen. Great breakfast, great food, great staff, great owner. 4 things, folks. 4 things. But don't take my word for it. Check out the video. So, what makes Kountry Kitchen so unique and different? Well, Kountry Kitchen was started by the owner's grandparents. And the owner's grandparents passed on all the recipes to the owner's mother, who passed it on to the current owner. And she still makes she hand makes all of the desserts, pies. She cooks all of the meals. This is a family-run restaurant that's been here for quite a long time. Now, my mother actually knows the owner, so it's a nice restaurant. We've never been there for breakfast, which is what we did for the first time. So their breakfast, if you saw in the video, I tried a little bit of everything, because when I go to restaurants, I specifically try breakfast, I want to try just a hodgepodge of everything. I even tried, the grits, because grits are just delicious. I absolutely love grits. Grits are, don't get me started on grits. But the breakfast was yummy. It was great. It was beautiful. It was made with tender, loving care. Much like a lot of food is made. The grits, add a little salt, butter, and you're set to go. Now, there's a lot I can say about this place, but I only have a short amount of time. I just talked about their breakfast. So let's talk about the owner. The owner had some health issues, took some time off, and then got better and then came back and still cooks the same amazing food, that the family's been making for years. Now, what they're really known for, besides their desserts, is their chicken. Their roasted chicken is the best in the area. I'm going to reiterate that. Roasted chicken is the best in the area. Now, they do party deals. You can get 8, 12, and you can get little boxes. You can get chicken with the sides to go home. My goodness, their fried chicken is absolutely amazing. Ooh, I'm craving it right now. I'm craving that yummy fried chicken. But if I could give this a rating solely on the breakfast itself, not knowing about the fried chicken or anything else, I would give it a 10 out of 10. Now, when you add everything, including the fried chicken, the wonderful desserts, and everything else that they make there on their menu, it would still be a 10 out of 10, but it will go beyond the 10. It'll break the barrier. Just keep adding zeros. Because this is an amazing place. Amazing food, amazing owners. And I just want to give a shout out to Sherry. She's the owner, she's the cook, and she does an amazing job keeping the same recipes, passing them down, and cooking that same good food. Thank you, Sherry. And thank you, Thurmont Kountry Kitchen, for all the great food. Now, I would recommend this to just about anyone. So if you're in Gettysburg and you want to take a quick trip down to Thurmont, Maryland, maybe make a stop over at the Seton Shrine, definitely check out Thurmont Kountry Kitchen. And yes, they do takeout, because they have a little window here in the front for the pandemic, and they do takeout and stuff like that. So really, really awesome. I'll have all the information about Country Kitchen located down below. But if you've been to Country Kitchen, I want to hear your experience, and I want to know what your experience with Country Kitchen has been. Definitely leave that below and kind of keep it in the loop. But for now, this is Rocky Red Panda signing out for this week's food review. I will catch you on the flip side. Good eats, and like and subscribe. Ta-ta.